Today, in my painting and some neat prompts, we'll look at the anatomy of a snail and its similarities to humans. This is Mr. Cheese. He has a cheese shell and is drinking milk because dairy contains calcium, which is important to both snails and humans. I'll explain that next. This is Jeff. He is on Snail Book, updating his status to happy because snails can have and show emotion. I'll explain that later. This is George. On one side, he's normal, and on the other, not as normal. I'll explain that last. So, about Mr. Cheese. He has a cheese shell because a snail's shell is made from calcium. And calcium is mostly found in dairy products. Humans will get the calcium from the dairy products, but snails will get it from eating dirt. I'll stick to dairy. Another way that snails will get calcium is to eat the egg they hatch from. This is because the egg contains calcium. This is a model of the snail's shell that I made out of clay. As you can see, there's a curl on one side, but not on the other. Without enough calcium, the snail's shell would become weak. There could be cracks in it, which will make the snail more vulnerable to falls or predators. Similarly, humans need calcium to keep our bones healthy, because our bones are made of calcium, just like the snail's shell. This is a clay model of a human rib bone. Your ribs are about right here. Think of your rib cage like a shell for your heart and lungs. And now, about Jeff. He's on Snail because snails can have and show emotions and social life, just like humans. Look how many likes it. So, this is about what a human brain looks like, and this is about what a snail brain looks like. As you can see, snails don't really have a brain. Instead, snails have 4,000 to 100,000 individual neurons in groups called ganglia to provide some limited brain function. These ganglia control the snail's body functions, needs, emotions, and memories, just like the human brain. This simple brain system is thought to be less complex than the brain of birds, mammals, and reptiles. One way that snails will show emotions is by following each other, and sometimes even riding on each other's backs. Also, snails can return to a certain spot after being moved anywhere less than 65 feet. That's far. This will allow us to study navigation memories through the anatomy of a snail. And now finally, George. Both sides are human. On the right, on your right, is north. And on the left is normal. On the left is what I think somebody might look like without a gene called PIDX2 in their DNA. What is DNA? This is DNA, the biological program in living things, telling them how to grow and function. Now within DNA, there are genes. Two genes shared between snails and humans is the nodal and PIDX, or PIDX2 and human. PIDX and PIDX2 are not the exact same, but they are similar. Think of PIDX2 like a more complex version of PIDX, and offers more functions to the human body. But the core PIDX2 functions the same as the PIDX. PIDX and PIDX2's main job is to kind of like lay out blueprints for asymmetrical body parts and organs. the snails will decide which side the shell curls on. The humans, this makes sure that the heart goes on the right side. Without the PIDX and PIDX2 genes, your body parts will not be formed properly. Once in a test, a snail lost the PIDX gene, which caused its shell to go straight instead of into a curl. It also had changed how the snail moved and digested food. So what might a human look like without the PIDX2 gene? Pancake-shaped organs, box-shaped lungs, and a straight tube for our intestines. Thanks, George, for showing us why we want to keep our PIDX2. So now you can see from the painting, calcium is recorded in the snail's shell and human bone. Snail has no brain, but goes to neurons, called ganglia. Not all, and PIDX/PIDX2 grows asymmetrical body parts. So this is Snail versus Humans. The winner is humans. Humans win for being more complex. Snails are good to study because they have a similar anatomy, but still a very basic biology, making them easier to understand. Snails are pretty fascinating, but humans still win. That's all I have to say, though. Snails versus humans.